Hi, my name is Jay Sean Pearson, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a backside 180. The first step and the first trick you need to learn to doing a backside 180, you need to learn how to ollie first. So this is what that look like. So now that you got the ollie in there, that's really the only trick you need for this trick. But you also need to use your shoulders to performing a backside 180. So all you need to do with your shoulders is go like this. So if you go like this with your shoulders while you performing this trick, you'll perform it very well. So if you throw your shoulders like this while you moving and going that way, going straight, you'll do this trick the right way. So this is what that look like. So just like I showed you a minute ago, to performing a backside 180, all you really need to do to learning this trick, you need to ollie and you need to throw your shoulders inward when you riding forward or whatever direction you're going. So foot positions for this trick, I set up like an ollie when I'm performing a backside 180. This is how I set up when I'm performing a backside 180. I have my foot placed like this on the board, and I have my back foot placed like this, just in a little bit like that, so I can give it a better pop and a better scoop when I'm performing a backside 180. Another thing, when performing a backside 180, the board will do that same motion as your shoulders are doing that motion. If you throw your shoulders like that, the board will also go like that with the same motion as your shoulders going. And that's really the secret of this trick, an ollie and your shoulders. So if you put both of those together, you will perform a backside 180. So if you follow those steps like I showed you in this video, you will perform a backside 180 the right way. And also, if you find this video helpful to you, don't forget to share it with somebody else that needs it, or a friend or a homie that you know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. Catch you in the next video.